Here I have VIVO V20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this option, eye protection. Tap on this button once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its intensity, and you can also add a schedule to it. You can set it just to be enabled from sunset to sunrise, or you can add your custom time. So here you can select start time, and here you can select the end time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.